Hey everyone, this is Mazen Salah. In this video, I'll show you how to compile and run C++ applications inside Visual Studio Code using the embedded terminal. So let's get started. First, we will go to the browser. I have Chrome and search download MinGW. This is the name of the compiler for compiling C++ applications. We will choose the search result MinGW for Windows. If you're using Mac or Linux, I think search results will appear to you related to your operating system. Here it's talking about privacy. I don't accept. And then I will click on the download button right here. You will wait for a few seconds before the download start, and you can see that the MinGW setup wizard is installed. You will click on it, click install. The path is okay, and these settings I'll leave them as they are. I'll click continue, and now it's being installed. We will click on continue. Now I will close this window and go back to Visual Studio Code. Here I will click on these three dots and choose terminal, new terminal. You can see that a new terminal is shown right here. Now I will use the command for compiling a C++ file, which is g++. Then I will write the name of the file, which is main.cpp, and then click enter. You can see here that a new file is created whose name is e.exe. Now we will run this file from here ./e.exe and then click enter. You can see that the output of the file is right here, which is hello world. So it's working fine. That's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have an idea for the next video, please type it in the comment section, and please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you in the next one.